Hi folks, so I'm still in this Lilekovo village and I show you this part of the village, this small kind of neighborhood of the village from another viewpoint. Wow, I just love this village, and some of my videos I've been over there. You can check them and see. Also, this kind of house property is being sold. If you're interested, it's about 2.5 acres of land all together with the house in very good conditions. This is a kind of animal house, but it can remake to a human house with very good conditions. I'm gonna put the link below in this video where you can see a proper review of this property with the kind of animal house that can be made with a project to become a good house for living with amazing spectacular view. Also, the stone masonry work of this house is in absolutely great conditions. You can see also around the village beautiful landscape, and something special I wanted to show you folks. This is kind of the municipality building of the small Lilekovo village. This is the village Lilekovo in the Rhodope Mountains in Bulgaria. You can read village Lilekovo, and what this says in Bulgaria: the Republic of Bulgaria, Chepelare municipality, which is the village is considered towards the Chepelare municipality, but this is the mayor's kind of building of the village. Old stone masonry work, and the Bulgarian flag and the European Union flag. Also, there is a tap water here. This is my car. Oh wow, more amazing view up to there. We have a lot of such tap water, kind of tap waters in Bulgaria and in the mountains. And check the view over there. You can imagine the view from there towards Chepelare town and the Pamporovo ski resort over there. So once again, if you're interested in that building over there I showed you is being sold, that house, the property with 2.5 acres of land. Next week I'm gonna come again, and the owners will give me more information about the house, because I spoke with a local guy who is a relative of the owners and told me that it's being sold. If you're interested, please comment below this video. And this house is also amazing. It has been renovated. Another renovated traditional stone and wood house, which I don't know the owners. It's not being sold, of course. I suppose it's not being sold, but I'm just favorite all of these kind of stone and wood houses with the traditional tiling. Not all of them in the village are with the traditional slate stone tiling, but still a lot of traditional Rhodope Mountains houses with great stone masonry work. I hope you like this video. If you are interested in more information about this village or the Rhodope Mountains or Bulgaria, please ask me questions and comment below what you think. I am Hristo. My name is Hristo from Bulgaria. I'm a craftsman and an artisan who also loves to show you on my YouTube channel and on my other social media, to show you incredible views and incredible mountain hiking adventure videos from Bulgaria. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video if you want to support me, and also my cousin Stasi, with whom we often go to scatter the mountains. Check the view, folks. Wow, this is stunning view. This is one of my favorite villages in the whole of Bulgaria, folks. Thank you for watching, and thanks to all of you who support me on my channel and of course on the other social media. See you in my next video, folks.